Hey there, welcome to our video on testing level. In this video, we'll be exploring the difference between unit, component, system testing. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding on each testing level and how they are used in software development. So before we dive into different testing levels, let's quickly review what software testing is all about. Software testing is the process of evaluating software against its requirements and specification to ensure that it meets the needs of its user. So let's start with unit testing. So this type of testing involves writing tests for individual units of code, such as functions or methods, to ensure that they work correctly on their own. The goal of unit testing is to verify that each unit of code behaves as expected. This helps catch up bugs early in the development process and prevent them from propagating downstream. So it's usually done and handled by developer, and it's also what we call white box testing. So next we have the component testing. This type of testing involves verifying how individual components work together to form a larger system or module. Component testing helps to ensure that the interaction between different parts of your system are correct and that they can easily be integrated into a larger system. This is usually the second step. So system testing takes it a step further by evaluating the entire system or application as a whole. This involves verifying that all the components work together seamlessly to provide the desired functionality and user experience. So the goal of system testing is to ensure that your software meets its intent, purpose, and provide value to its user. Okay, and that's it. We've covered the unit, component, system. As you can see, each level has its own and unique characteristic and goal, but they all work together to ensure that your software is reliable, efficient, and meet the intent purpose. Okay, so now let's dig more about how the ConformIQ ecosystem can provide you the best tool to do unit, component, system, or end-to-end testing. So the first one is around unit testing. ConformIQ does not provide any code level testing tool. Where you will find the tool will be mostly around component testing, system, and end-to-end testing. So for component testing, we have ConformIQ Visualizer that uses BDD for behavior-driven development, where you will create some user story. So you will have a feature, you will describe this feature through user story, and what you will do is you will play all this user story against your components. So this is with ConformIQ Visualizer. Now for system testing, what we have is we have a tool called ConformIQ Creator that is really interesting because now you can really go deep inside your application. It means that you can describe button, you can describe field form, you can describe a lot of things. And when all of that is described in the model, you can execute all this model through the test suite, test cases, and test script against your full system. So it's just a matter of a click. And now what we have is also we have this end-to-end approach where we are merging and mixing the two tools together. So let's say you have multiple components. You have also a description on how your system should work in let's say in the external world. And what you will do by describing all of that into different user story, into different components, into different feature file, what we will do is we will import all these files into an end-to-end system model inside ConformIQ Creator. And then what we will do is we will, based on this import, be able to export all these test cases, create all this test script, and execute it directly against your end-to-end environment. It's now the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or would like to learn more about software testing, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel or to ConformIQ on LinkedIn for more videos and software development and testing. Thank you very much, and see you soon.